Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about performance cars of 2025, the all-new Toyota GR Supra. New engine, new tech, new attitude. Is this the new era we've been waiting for? Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's break it down. Visually, the 2025 GR Supra maintains its iconic silhouette, but there are subtle refinements that make a big difference. Toyota sharpened the front fascia, added new aerodynamic vents, and upgraded the lighting elements for a more aggressive, race-ready look. There's also a new set of forged alloy wheels and some spicy new color options, including a bold electric lime and a classy midnight graphite. It still screams Supra, but now with an even meaner attitude. Now here's where things get exciting. The engine. Toyota has introduced a brand new inline-6 turbocharged engine, co-developed with BMW, but tuned exclusively for Toyota's racing division. Gazoo Racing done. It's a 3.0L monster, pushing out 405 horsepower. That's a 40 HP jump from the previous model. Torque figures are impressive too, clocking in at 430 lb-ft. This allows the GR Supra to rocket from 0 to 60 in just under 3.9 seconds. And for purists, yes, the 6-speed manual is still available. With great power comes the need for greater control, and Toyota delivers. The suspension has been retuned for 2025 with adaptive dampers, stiffer sway bars, and new electronic stability calibrations that make it track-ready out of the box. Whether you're tearing down back roads or hitting the apex at the track, the new Supra feels sharper, more planted, and more thrilling. There's also an optional track pack this year, offering carbon ceramic brakes, a limited slip diff, and lightweight components. Inside, the 2025 GR Supra gets some needed upgrades. There's a new 12.3-inch fully digital driver display, a sleeker center console, and Toyota's updated infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bucket-style racing seats with contrast stitching and Alcantara inserts give it that premium yet sporty feel. Plus, Toyota added more sound insulation to make daily driving a little more refined without killing the engine note we all love. So, is the 2025 GR Supra just another facelift? Or is it the beginning of a new era? With the new engine, aggressive performance upgrades, and more refined tech, Toyota is clearly investing in the Supra legacy. It's not just a tribute to the past, it's a statement about the future of Japanese performance cars. If you've been waiting for the right time to grab a Supra, this might be it. Let us know in the comments. Is this your dream car for 2025? Would you go for the automatic or stick with the manual? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews, news, and performance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.